Welcome back to Cooking with Rashi. Today we're making Moong Dal Palak, a comforting, wholesome lentil dish made with yellow moong dal and fresh spinach. It's protein-packed, nourishing, and the perfect cozy meal. So let's get cooking. I'm using an electric pressure cooker today, but you can absolutely make this in a regular pressure cooker. First, press the saute button and let the pot heat up properly before adding oil. Once your pan is hot, add in oil and let it heat up. Add cumin seeds and let them sizzle and dance. Add a pinch of hing as well. Not only does this add flavor, but it also helps with digestion. Now add finely chopped onions, a spoon of ghee, ginger garlic paste, and a pinch of salt. I always add a little salt at this stage because salt helps to draw the moisture out of the onions. That moisture helps them soften faster and cook more evenly. Cook this for about 4 to 5 minutes until the onions turn soft and slightly golden. Don't rush this step. This is where your flavor develops. A lot of people overcook onions thinking darker means more flavor, but once they brown too much, they actually lose that natural sweetness and balance. Now add your pureed tomatoes, add a little more salt, turmeric powder, coriander powder, red chili powder, and some dal masala if you like. This is optional, but it adds a lot of flavor. Mix everything really well and cook this masala until the tomatoes lose their raw smell and the oil starts to separate slightly. That's when you know your base is ready. Now add roughly chopped palak. Don't worry, it will wilt down a lot as it cooks. Add your soaked moong dal. For water, add about 2.5 to 3 cups for 1 cup of moong dal. If you like your dal thinner, you can go closer to 3 cups. If you prefer it thicker, stick to 2.5. Give everything a gentle mix, close the lid, and pressure cook for 10 minutes. When the time is up, let the pressure release naturally. This allows the dal to finish cooking gently and helps the flavors settle. Open the lid and give it a good stir. Depending on how you like the consistency, you may want to add a little hot water to loosen it. If you feel like it needs more greens, you can even stir in a little extra finely chopped spinach at this stage. Finish with freshly chopped coriander, and also we'll be adding in a simple tadka. Heat some ghee, add sliced garlic, let it turn lightly golden, and then add red chili flakes and pour it right over the dal. That sizzling garlic ghee takes it to the next level, so don't skip tadka. And that's your Moong Dal Palak. It's comforting, wholesome, and absolutely delicious. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more quick, easy recipes. I'll see you in the next one.